Good morning, students. Today we'll start from question number 10 on page number 118. It is calculate national income and private income. Now, private income does not belong to our syllabus, so we'll keep it as calculate national income. Now, what method we should use? For that we need to look for the heads that are given here, that is net import, net domestic capital formation, then corporate tax, government final consumption expenditure, private final consumption expenditure. It means it is a question of expenditure method. So we'll solve it by expenditure method. For that, the formula is GDP MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic fixed capital formation plus inventory investment plus net export. This is our formula. Now, first is GDP MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure. If we see here, this is given 100, so 100 plus government final consumption expenditure, it is given here as 20, so 20 plus gross domestic fixed capital formation. It means gross domestic investment. So if we see, net domestic capital formation is given here. Now you need to see that gross domestic capital formation fixed is not mentioned here. It means it includes both fixed capital formation and inventory investment. So we need not to see for inventory investment. हमें inventory investment देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, because here it is given as net domestic capital formation. If fixed is mentioned here, then we need to look for the inventory investment, but as the fixed is not mentioned here, we will not look for the inventory investment, but this is net and we need the gross investment. So what we do, we add depreciation with this. So 15 crores, and the depreciation, if we see here in the question, so as we have seen that the depreciation is not given here, so we will take net domestic capital formation as it is 15, then net export, it is given here as net import, so the sign will be opposite. As we done in the last question. So minus 5. This is 120, 120 and 10, 130. Now we need to convert it into NNP FC. So GDP MP minus depreciation, then net from domestic, national from domestic, so plus NFIA, and factor cost, market price. To convert market price into factor cost, what we do? Minus NIT. So GDP MP, that is 130, minus depreciation is not given here, plus NFIA, net factor income to abroad, that is minus 5. Now to abroad is minus 5 and we need from abroad. So 2 is opposite to from. Okay, so we will change this sign also, because we are using in it opposite form. We are using it for from abroad and it is to abroad. Both are opposite in sense. So that makes it plus 5. And NIT, it is given 10. So minus 10 here. You can see NI net indirect is given 10. So 130 plus 5, 135 minus 10, 125 crores. Here you can see private final consumption expenditures given here 100, then the government final consumption expenditure 20, then the capital formation, net capital formation is given here 15, and depreciation is not given here, so we will not calculate depreciation. And the capital formation is given here in the form of net domestic capital formation, neither fixed nor inventory mentioned, so it will be counted for both. So gross domestic fixed capital formation and inventory investment both includes 15, and plus net export. Now net import is given here as 5, so net import is opposite to export, so the sign will be opposite, so it will become minus 5. 100 plus 20 plus 15 minus 5, that is 130. Now to calculate NNPFC, what we do? GDPFP minus depreciation plus NFIA minus NIT. Minus depreciation will change gross into net, plus NFIA will change domestic into national, and minus NIT would change MP into FC. 130 minus depreciation is not given here, so 0. NFIA, if you see here, it is given is as net factor income to abroad. Now it is given here as to abroad and we want it as from abroad. So to and from are opposite, so what we do? We will change the sign. As it is minus 5 given here, it will be plus 5. And the NIT, net indirect tax, it is given here as 10. So we will write both of these, plus 5 and minus 10. 130 plus 5, 135 minus 10, 125 crores, that is national income of the country. Now we will move forward with the next question, that is question number 11. On Page number 118. Here again, what is been asked? Calculate n net national product at market price. It means finally you need to calculate net national product at market price. NNP. MP is been asked you to calculate. What method? Okay. Net factor income from abroad, net current transfer from to abroad, consumption of fixed capital, it means depreciation, compensation of employees, undistributed profit, interest, rent, dividend. All these are the heads of income method. Okay, so this is income method. NNPFC is equal to compensation to employees plus operating surplus plus undistributed profit. Okay, so we'll see here for compensation to employees, net income, current transfer, consumption, compensation to employees 700. So 700 plus. Now we see that is operating surplus given here. If we see, operating surplus is not given here with the name. One more thing is there, that the social security contributions by employees is given here. Now the contribution by employees is already a part of compensation of employees, so will not contribution, social contribution by employees pay their contribution from their salary, and salary is already calculated here, so will not calculate this. If it is by employer, then it is calculated because it is given other than salary. Okay, so now we will see for operating surplus, it is not given here, so we will calculate operating surplus. Rent, interest plus profit. Okay, now see rent and interest and profit. If we see here, rent is given here, $100, interest 90, rent 100, interest 90. Now profit is not given here as a separate head, so we need to calculate profit also. Profit is comprised of dividend, corporate profit, tax and undistributed profit. Okay, so dividend, if you can see here, dividend is 20, corporate tax is 30 and undistributed profit 10. So 20, 30 and 10. 20 plus 30 plus 10, that is 60. 60. So this is 190 and 60, 250. So operating surplus is 250 plus. Now here the next item is mixed income. Mixed income, if we see here in the question, it is not given here, so it will be treated as 0. So that is 950 crores. So this is NNPFC that we calculated, 950 crore. Now we need to calculate NNPMP, that is NNPFC. Now to convert factor cost into market price, we need to add NIT. NIT is given here as 110. So (960) plus 110, that is 1070. This is NNPFC. So this is how you can calculate NNPFC. What is most important for us to stick with our formula and be very prompt for the formula, for the sign of plus and minus, and for the numbers, digits what you are writing. Now you need to do question number 13 from page number 118, and then question number 14, 15 and 16 from page number 119. Next time when we meet, we will start from question number 17 at page number 119. Thank you.